guys, welcome to Living It Country and welcome to the Farmhouse Home Tours series. Today I'm so excited to be sharing my friend Tiffany from Faux Farm Fixers Home on Instagram. She is sharing her home tour today and I am so excited to have her here on our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and welcome Tiffany. She calls herself the wannabe farm girl, living by the ocean, and she has just such a beautiful farmhouse styled home. So let's welcome Tiffany and go tour her home today.
I'm finally flu free, so I figured I would give you guys a little after Christmas tour since we got the house mostly cleaned up. That's our teddy bear. Tree is gone. Basket is back. We got a new lamp. This is from the Opal House line at Target. I really like it. This throw blanket is an antique, or I guess I should say vintage. Coffee table redone. Then I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle still to the shelves, so I put these twinkle lights in these jugs, like I saw Brookview on Nesting with Grace. I restyled all my shelves. It's my record player. My husband actually drilled a little hole in the cabinet right here so that we could plug it in right down there. That's in one of my little vacuums also. Got my plants back in here. Very excited about that. Got another little jar with twinkle lights. Some candles going to make it nice and cozy. Don't mind my squeaky floors. Our house is old. This is our little mail key drop area. Our little kind of entryway where I drop my purse and our shoes. Teddy again. I'll show you the kitchen first. I've got this pretty much back to how it was before. The only thing I did different in here really was a couple of vignettes, and then I added this runner here instead of the rug that I had just like in front of the sink. I redid this little vignette with my rolling pins and cutting boards. I actually did the dishes. I put some more twinkle lights in these amber jars from the Hearth and Hand line at Target. And these are gold reusable straws. I did get some new placemats here for our little kitchen nook area, and they're from Target. They were $5.99. Then I put some new pillows on each side. They're actually not new, they're old. I made them a couple years ago from placemats that I just took apart and then stuffed and then stitched up the hole. Candles are a good way to add a little coziness after Christmas. So I've got candles going and some twinkle lights. And then in the hallway, just added this little framed print. Eventually I'm going to put some family pictures in there, but we took out our Christmas greenery and just have some faux eucalyptus in there. And then this is our Mapiful map from Ojai. We love this map. And then we have some family photos in there and some more candles. And that's about it. When I get around to redecorating our bedroom, I will show you that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tour and that you get a little bit of inspiration for how to decorate after the holidays.
Thank you so much for watching Farmhouse Home Tours here at Living It Country, and I'll see you guys next week, Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.